Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, it's just going to be a short one, just showcasing how I do my fir hedges. So yeah, hedges, fir hedges in particular, it's pretty easy really. You just got to remember one thing with fir hedges is not to cut back too hard. If you happen to cut it back too hard, it won't grow back. So do be careful, just take a little bit off at a time. See how you go. If you want to take more off, then you can do. Enjoy the video and I'll speak to you soon. Using a hedge cutter, you want to swipe from the bottom to the top so you can always see what you're doing. Number one rule for doing hedges, make sure you check for any nests in the hedgerow. There is a sort of law and this is to do with the birds' nesting season, and you can find out all details online if you need to. If you're liking the video so far, please go ahead, check out my other videos on the channel and subscribe and turn notifications on for future videos. Always remember to wear your safety gear when you're doing your hedges. Before you start, don't forget to check your surroundings, any wires or power lines. Make sure that you're safe to do the work that you're going to be doing in the area that you're going to be doing it in. Make sure that the area is clear, free of debris or any obstacles you may trip over. And also check your machinery before you actually start it up. Make sure that everything's in working order, the blades are sharp. So you don't want to be cutting hedges when it's raining, thunderstorms obviously, any weather that's going to hinder your safety. Make sure you've got a firm footing, especially when you're using the ladders. And finally, it's good practice not to use power tools for that long. So what I tend to do is roughly about 15 to 20 minutes. If I'm using a hedge cutter, I'll have a small break for a couple of minutes and just let my body readjust. There we go, that's a fir hedge cut, shaped and cared for, ready for the spring. Any further on that, I'll just try and zoom in a little bit. You can just see slight browning. If you were to go any further than that, you'd probably hinder the growth and you'd end up with big brown patches in your conifer hedge, which you don't want. Okay, well that's about it for today's video guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you've not been over to the channel yet, please head over there and check out my other videos, give me a like, a subscribe and all that. Alright, well with all that said, we'll see you in the next one.